Hi guys, let us do pasigele with 3 layers ashoke material. So this is my material and I'm going to just fold one, then I'm going to place it on my head. The division is just like 70-30. That is, one part is going to be shorter than the other part. So after making one plate and placing to my head, I'll make like 2 other pleats with it. It depends on the length of your fabric. So like mine made 3 pleats in total. So after my pleats, I'll go to the back and cross it, shorter hand up and longer down. So I'm going to fold another pleat on top of the previous one with the longer part. So I'll hold this edge here and I'll go to the short part, hold that edge like that as well, and secure by knotting down. So once I'm done knotting it down like this, it remains the 2 sides like this. So I'll just look for a way to, it's just like a fold. So I'll just fold it. Look at my hand. Just grab every excess together to these sides and just like roll it down. So I'm going to repeat the same process here. I'm going to roll it down as well and adjust. Make sure that the rolling is even, not just anyhow roll. So you secure the 2 edges with surface pin and you adjust. Come and touch where it needs to be touched, and this is so simple. Layman patigele, this is what we call that. Look at the back here, and you can add this to beautify. Then you're looking good to that one, baby. Try this. Okay, you don't want to stress yourself. Sharp one. So try this, guys. Let's go for second one. Instead of rolling it down, I decide to just raise all the excess like this. Then it's just like wrapping just a bit from the edge here, and the remaining excess we have from the knotting side, use it to cover the folded parts up here and secure the both together. Then I'll use my hand to adjust all the adjustables. That adjustables is very necessary, so I adjust and make it look good. So once you're done, you can add your brush to beautify as well, and you're ready for that Owambe layman Owambe Gele tutorial. We are here for you guys. So to get this, just practice it ahead of the day you want to use it. That is the real day, and the day you're going to use it is gonna be more easier. Share, like, and follow for more. See you guys.